This map shows buildings for a neighborhood in Boulder, Colorado. A section of buildings in the northeast corner of the study area is missing. Fortunately, you have another layer with building footprints that you can borrow from. Open the attribute table for the Boulder County Buildings layer. This layer has many attributes, including information about its source and status. The other layer is more complete in terms of number of buildings, but it does not contain any attributes that are useful to your project. You will continue to use the Boulder County Buildings layer, but you will fill in its gaps with data from the Microsoft Buildings layer. On the ribbon, click the Edit tab. Activate the Polygon Selection tool. On the map, draw a polygon shape that encloses all of the yellow buildings in the northeast corner of the study area. Double-click to finish drawing the selection shape. It is okay if you also select the blue study area line, since the paste operation will allow you to paste only polygons and not lines. However, if you have accidentally selected any of the pink buildings, you will have to remove them from the selection set. Switch to the Rectangle Selection tool. Hold the Control key and click to deselect any unintentionally selected buildings. On the ribbon, in the Clipboard group, click Copy. Click the bottom half of the Paste button and click Paste Special. In the Paste Special window, the Paste option may be visible. It is only visible if features with different geometry types are selected. If it is visible, choose Polygon. Next, you'll choose where to paste the selected polygons. The Template menu allows you to paste features into any Symbology class present in the map. Choose Constructed. The Keep Source Attribute Values option will copy attributes from matching fields only. You saw earlier that the two layers have no common fields, so there are no attributes that can be kept. In this instance, it does not matter if you check or uncheck this box. Click OK. Copies of the selected polygons are added to the Boulder County Buildings layer. The editing toolbar appears on the map with the Move tool activated. Close the Modify Features pane to make it disappear. Before you deselect the copied features, you will update their attributes to indicate where they were copied from. On the ribbon, in the Selection group, click Attributes. The top half of the Attributes pane lists all of the selected features. The bottom half lists the attributes of one of the selected features. Because the selected features are new, most of the attributes are null. The status field is set to constructed. This attribute was applied by the template you chose in the Paste Special window. In the top half of the pane, click Boulder County Buildings so you can update the attributes for all of the new features at once. For source, type Microsoft. Open the attribute table for the Boulder County Buildings layer. Confirm that the source and status fields have been updated for all of the selected rows. Finally, you will save the edits you made during this lesson. The edits you made were applied to the data, not the map or the project. If you add the Boulder County Buildings layer to any new map, it will include the new buildings. In this lesson, you reviewed the attributes of the data, selected and copied a set of features, pasted them into another layer, and updated their attributes. The Boulder County Buildings layer now contains all of the buildings in your study area.